Hi friends, and welcome to Tiny Technical Tutorials, where we do bite-sized lessons for today's tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Translator from within Microsoft Word to easily translate to and from many different languages. Let's say that you've got a vacation rental in the United States, something like an Airbnb, and your guests are going to be arriving from a French-speaking country, and they need instructions and a welcome packet in their own language. Here is one such document, obviously in English. Now, if you're like me, I used to always go out to Google or use some of the other free translation sites out there, but you can actually do all of that from within Microsoft Word. All you need to do is come up to Review, and then here under Translate, you'll see there's two different options. You can translate selection or translate the entire document. We'll start with selection here, and I'll select this, the welcome. And then over on the right, you'll see the English version, and right now we're going to Spanish, Bienvenido. But let's say we want to go to French instead. There's a lot of other options though. I'll scroll up to find French, Bienvenue. Let's say that we like that, so we'll say Insert, and there you go. But there's a lot more to this document. Let's say we need to translate the entire thing. So to do that, you can just switch over to this Document tab here. We'll leave this going from English to French, and then click Translate. This might take a little bit depending on the size of your document, but when it's done, it's going to open up a new document. There you go, and you'll see everything's been translated all the way through. Now you'll probably need to come through and make some small changes to formatting and whatnot, because obviously the words are different and different sizes than what you started with. But this will take you really far in getting your translations done. So there you have it, how to easily translate language without ever having to leave Microsoft Word. Very convenient and powerful. If you found this content valuable, we always appreciate the likes, subscribes, and shares.